Hello and welcome to the channel. This video is about how to use WhatsApp on your computer. Let's get started with the video. In the search box, type WhatsApp web and press enter. You can even use web.whatsapp.com, but I find WhatsApp app web easy to remember. Click on the first link. It helps to send and receive WhatsApp messages right from your computer. Click on the first link and open the link. It takes few seconds. All the steps are given here to use WhatsApp on your computer. Number 1 step says open WhatsApp on your phone. So you have to open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Number 2 step says tap menu, the 3-dot menu, or you can even use settings and select linked devices option. And the third step is point your phone to this screen to capture the code. To the right side code is given. You have to capture the code on your phone. Follow these 3 steps. These 3 steps will help you to use WhatsApp on your computer. When you will scroll down, below is given a video. A video is given which helps to link a device on Android. So a video is given, as you can see. Click on settings, then click on link a device, unlock the device, scan QR code, and here is the code, and you have to scan in this way and you can see your WhatsApp on your computer. Video is also available how to link iPhone. If you want, you can view the video. If you find problem, click to reload QR code. As you can see, here I am facing some problem. You can click to reload and scan it again. Now I have scanned it. As you can see, it is connecting. And it's done. So this is my WhatsApp web. After connecting WhatsApp with your computer, you can share messages. You can create group. You can chat the same way you do on your mobile. If you want to continue using WhatsApp on your computer, just close the window and you can use it again the next time without scanning the QR code. And if you want to discontinue, you can use the logout button, which is to the right top in this 3 dots. In this way, you can use WhatsApp web on your computer. That's all for this video. Hit the red subscribe button. Like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.